heard something. Oh. Feel things.
Yeah, I just don't know if it's the rocks or not, eh?
Yeah.
Just rocks. There's a good clearance up there as well.
Oh, I got something. Is it a log?
Caught me knife.
Oh, you got a knife, Josh?
Oh,
Oh, it's a
that's because
bloody-
I said it.
And you got tin snips too.
Yeah, and it's
Can you describe it, Josh?
some bloody old tin snips and a folding knife, whatever.
Oh, it's like a folding up.
That's right.
Can I go magnet fish smaller first?
Okay, well, that's it.
First throw.
Can I get a photo, Josh? Of your phone? Yeah.
Is that all?
You ready?
It's a duck.
Oh, look at that.
It's a duck.
Have you got your other magnet there? Hang on, Josh. Keep it there and he'll throw his magnet and give you a hand. You get it from the other side.
Like a hook. Ready?
Together.
Hang on. Let's go.
What's that? Want to bring it out here? Off the road? It's solid steel. Yeah.
Very. If you want to feel it? I don't know. I was just.
Want to turn it on its side?
Or check if there's something there underneath. Yeah. There's a look.
It's hollow.
Hollow.
Oh, it is hollow. Shit. Turn upside down. What the hell is that?
What is
That's
that?
strange. It's been there a while.
It's not a pipe because it's.
Mate, if that had a pointy tip to it, I'd say it's a freaking bomb.
I was thinking it
Tank.
might be one of those things to stop you from driving into the river.
Yeah.
But that's pretty small though.
It is
Hello.
pretty small.
Hello, guys.
Oh shit.
That was Christian. Do you want to put it up there, guys? Just over there.
It is.
Up in the bushes.
Oh, how about we just leave it?
Put it there. Just put
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Cause
Yeah.
it's weird.
That is weird.
Oh, what's going on?
We need the hook.
Oh, that's the same thing. I can't get this
Oh.
black thing out. I can't.
That's
it's,
that's a rubber pipe. That's
yeah,
why.
there's
That's
something
why.
metal in there, but I can't get it out. I've been getting it before, but there is something there.
Yeah.
Is that a safe door?
Josh almost had it. Something. It's a
Cash register.
cash register. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm serious. Josh got a cash register.
What?
Awesome.
What the heck?
Oh, Josh keeps getting good finds. Oh my goodness. Awesome.
That's
Oh, that's the top.
They're plastic.
But you're getting the metal on the
Yeah.
actual bottom of the register
You
part.
might find cash in
Just
there.
trying to hook it on.
You might find some cash in there.
Oh, I think the cash is gone.
It's gone, mate. It's gone.
They've ripped it off and then dumped it, I'd say. Oh my goodness, that is awesome.
Oh, what else is that? What's that?
Oh, what's that?
Is that a tape?
Oh, it's a tape.
It's, it looks like it hasn't been there for long.
No.
It hasn't.
Awesome.
Cheap tape.
Is it? Yeah, it is a cheaper one. He's found a cash register. Here.
Did you open it?
No, it's still in the water. The plastic came off, but
Glad you made it, buddy.
the metal part is what he's hooking onto, but the plastic is what's.
You need the anchor?
Look at it.
Or something else.
Ah. We might need the anchor too. Oh no, I tried that.
What do you got there, Josh? Metal.
Pipe with holes. Like the usual.
Awesome. More metal. Joshua keeps getting the big scores.
To claim your
No.
go from the far end, other side behind, yes. Oh, you got it. Oh, nearly.
Nearly. Oh, we don't want to lose the bits.
They're coins.
Edgy, you might have to go in for it.
No, try and use the anchor for it so you don't dirty your shoes. You need dedication, yeah. Some dedication.
Tommy's going in for it. Sorry, it's not a good angle, guys, because I'm not. There we go. It's full of gunk. That's the bottom half. That's the drawer. And there's the rest of it. Nah.
Josh,
Are you serious?
can someone take that mud out here on this side? That's it here.
Yeah.
I think it opens.
Oh,
Nah.
hang on. I could probably do this one.
Yeah. This is your second cash register, Josh.
Stop it, bro.
No coins in
Yay!
there, they didn't leave you anything.
No.
That's not nice of them.
I'll put it back together so it looks like a cash register.
That's awesome.
Oh, it's even got the batteries in it
Oh,
still.
my.
Duracell, is it?
Yeah, it's a sharp cash register.
Can I?
And that goes at the front. How cool. How cool is that? Awesome.
Can I edit video?
No money, but it's a good find though.
Yeah. Well, can I edit the video?
That's random.
It is random.
Okay. Good.
That's cool.
And the batteries are there too. Have a little Duracell. Take it.
door stopper things.
While I was away, filming a trolley, Josh.
They sound like
No, you know what this is? My mum had one of these.
Is that
They're
the-
actually no. They're for shoes. You shine your shoes on
that's
you.
right.
You put your shoes on the different things. It's one of them's missing.
Oh.
There's 3.
I remember my grandmother having
Yeah.
them.
My mum had one too, and she did use it as a door stopper too.
Yeah,
my mum
but
used,
that's why I call
Yeah.
it a door stopper.
And there's 3 different sizes, and
One-
you put your shoes
and
on
then
and
you
you
shine
shine
it.
them, and that's what that is.
I think my grandmother's
Yeah.
was green.
Yeah, my mum had one too.
It's pretty.
Awesome. That's a good find, Josh. It's a shame the other one's not there.
Yeah, oh, no, that wasn't
The
it.
other foot's not there.
What is this though? I got something else. This is
Oh,
just
cool.
deteriorated to crap.
Crap, yeah.
But-
That's a good find, Josh.
It's old.
Yeah, but it's a shame the other one, because there should normally be 3.
Yeah, one. There should be a.
There should be another one here, I think. It looks like it's broken off.
Yeah, there it is. You can see the
yeah.
triangle,
Yeah.
and then
Oh,
you just shine it.
that's a good find, Joshua.
Wow, that's
Cool.
old. That's vintage right there.
Yeah, it is. Awesome.
It's a shame someone threw it in there.
Yeah. Yeah, it is a shame someone threw it in there, because people still use them.
Like old people.
Yeah, and they do make good door stops.
Yeah, it was pretty good.